Alright, just to give you an idea of how big this tree is, it's very big. It's a 55 horse tractor. Looks little. So, we are fixing it. We got all the other branch cleared up. And it's about time to get started on this big bad boy. Got a lot of wood here. We got the area all cleaned up so we can start working on it. I knew that was going to happen too. What's he going to do? Boy, it ripped through that like it was nothing. Now, that's big wood. That's at least 22 in diameter limb. 24 inch bar for that. Alright, so there you have it. I mean, we didn't even get close. We got this, probably one of the bigger branches here. There's still two more branches right here to the left of me. But we've got our trailer loaded and we still got wood stacked over to the side. So we got a full stack of firewood and plenty more to come back and get. And this is just one tree that has been blown over due to the wind that we had several months back. So anyway, good thing is the chain sharpener from Stihl is fantastic. That chain is ripping this red oak very well, and the only thing I noticed that it was very aggressive, so you know, it chatters a little bit when you try to make an undercut, and so I just have to be careful with that and make sure you get it seated into the log and not skim up the side, because it would probably kick back on you pretty good. So The saws did pretty good. I had one little boo-boo right here trying to lay this big branch over. I got my big saw hung up. Had to cut some relief cuts with the smaller saw and get it removed, but it worked out. We didn't have any issues. We were all safe today. And the grapple rake, you saw that. You're gonna saw that in action, and boy, is that a back saver. You don't have to cut the logs into little bitty pieces. For us, we have to haul our wood to where we process it, split it. So it just works really well. We can put an 8-foot piece of wood on the trailer, and this piece right here, wow, that's a big log. Probably 1,500 pounds or better maybe. So anyway, it worked out really good today. We've got this whole area cleaned up, and it's just very much improved. Let's pan around and we can kind of see what all we've done. There's the massive base. Wow, what a big tree. And it's going to be nice to have all this firewood. If you had a sawmill, you probably could get some nice wood out of that base. I know you got to cut off several feet off the bottom, but there's still probably at least 10 foot of good